Good morning. Pardon the noise. So I got my coffee pot. Make sure it's in focus. Put this thing on. Put in a nice hemp fiber coffee filter. If I can zoom out a little. Boom. That noise you hear is the kettle. I put the coffee in the coffee filter. It's Saturday, so I put extra coffee in the filter. It's very loud. Now, we wait for the water to boil. Daddy is being weird.
What are you doing?
I'm making a video of making coffee. Of making the coffee. Why? Why do you ask all the questions? Okay. We wait for the water to boil. Okay. Now that the water is boiled, give it a couple of seconds. Don't want crazy boiling water breaking your glass. Drips the coffee.
How do you do that?
The coffee drips in the pot. It's like magic. Magic elixir of waking up. Needs a little bit more. Hot water. Okay. Now you see the coffee, it is made. I just keep adding boiling water, except not boiling, almost. Next, we make a pancake.
Water? I want to help make pancakes.
You see what I mean? Thank you for the water. That's not in the frame. We got water. Eddie is going to help make pancakes. Today, we make the cheater pancakes.
The cheater pancakes.
Uh-huh. No cheetahs were harmed in the making of these pancakes.
This is just cheating pancakes because you use mix.
Yes. I'm going to take 2 scoops of this stuff. I'm making a lot of pancakes.
You're making 12 to 14 pancakes.
That's a lot of pancakes. Yes, buddy. Ella, can you bring the buddy a chair? Back up. Okay. I have big bag Costco pancake mix. I have lots of talking children. I have a chair. Okay. The boy will operate the whisk. The daddy will carefully place water in the bowl. The girl measured the water. I hope she got it right because I did not check.
I did get it right. I got it. Where did I get it? I got it right here. 1/3.
Exactly. 1 1/3 cup water.
Except it might have been a teensy.
2 cups of cheating pancake mixture. No need for eggs, no milk, no stuff, nothing. You just put the mix and the water and it cooks. It does not cook. It mixes. Can I put nuts? Oh, don't do that, please.
No nuts. No nuts.
Apple?
No nuts. Marshmallows.
No.
Marshmallows. Yes,
Not
marshmallows.
put marshmallows in the pancake mix.
Yes, marshmallows.
They float. It will not work.
Yeah, they do work. They taste even yummier.
You will have burned marshmallows on the bottom of your pancake.
That would be weird.
Exactly.
And I still want marshmallows.
Of course.
How about chocolate chips?
This boy is very good at mixing.
Chocolate chips!
He also has very big hands and a little hand. which is probably not
No,
in front.
that's Daddy with the big hands who's mixing, and he's just holding it.
Hey, nobody asked your opinion.
Yes, I did.
More coffee. Okay, dokie. What are you doing? No, no! Hi. Now is the time to start the fire. Hey. What's up with that?
Fire, fire, fire. Just taste it.
That's better. That's a better. Okay.
Very better.
Boom. Boom. Fire!
Fire.
And then we put the cooking device.
And then Daddy burns his finger.
And the children do not stop the talking.
Daddy
wait.
does not actually burn his finger.
No, it's slightly warm. Takes a while. Need a lot of heat in the middle to
Daddy
make it a good
heats his
pancakes.
finger so much that he burns it.
This is the one who stuck tape to the camera lens. The part you don't touch.
Ella! Touch, 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 touch.
Excuse me while I make some mercury noises. Okay. I'll probably have to voice over all this because the children keep talking and the thing that sucks the stinky air out of the stove is noisy. Fan. It is a fan. So, very important now, while you're warming up the hot thing for cooking and your beautiful little monsters are making lots of noise in the back, you do not put water and oil. Do not put the coffee in the oil. That's a very bad choice. Okay. So you drip coffee on the other side of the stove and you pour the coffee in the pot.
Pour coffee in the oil. I'm salty. I'm just coffee.
That's gonna be a bad thing.
What?
There's hot that comes out the side of the stove.
Stop.
Hot stuff. Know what happens when you mix hot stuff in oily paper?
Hop.
No, the fire. How hot? Alright. Don't do this at home, kids. Don't put coffee in your pancake oil. Yeah. Now I have oiled my spatula.
No. Yeah,
I take the mix.
No. Good idea. It's the best idea ever. I don't want coffee flavored pancakes. I don't want coffee flavored pancakes.
And I don't want noisy children, but that's what you get. Oh, then you can go back to bed.
Well, you did pour coffee on the page.
Yes, it's still fizzily bubbling.
I'm not happy.
Okay, so when the pancake is on the hot, watch for the bubbles.
And you do not touch it.
She's right, for once. You don't touch. You wait for the bubbles. When the bubbles start popping, it is time you take your flip-a-majig. You unstick the pancake first.
It's a flipper.
Yeah,
It's a pancake flipper.
it's a beautiful pancake.
Ooh, golden brownie. No!
It is time
Pancake.
to drink the coffee.
But that's favorite.
Oh, stop the talking.
I like
You know those coffee cups that say, shut up until I finish my coffee? I need one of those.
Did my hands hold on to yours?
That's a beautiful fluffy pancake.
Yeah.
Where's ice cube? I am not very patient. So, take the coffee, put the ice cube. You could put cream and sugar, but why ruin a perfectly good coffee?
We're gonna do it twice.
Drink some coffee. Remember, it's called a skillet or cast iron. It makes the fire spread nice and even heat. That is the last pancake. Is on the cooking jig. The bubbles come up. It's nice when this is hot. It's fast. Flip. Flip. This can shut down. Leftover heat will finish the cooking of the last pancake. That is a beautiful pancake.
Pancake! And we've done the pancake. Stop it, Ace! Don't put them back. Hey, you guys stir up all
No.
people.
Give them to the kids.
Yeah, shook it.
That is pancake. Kids will yum 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 eat it up. Thank you. Have a good day. Like and subscribe.